Think you've figured out how women think? Think again. Behind every smile, silence, or stare lies a world of psychological patterns, some of them completely unexpected. Today, we'll count down 10 fascinating psychology facts about women that reveal just how brilliantly complex and misunderstood they really are. Fact number 10. Women don't like being compared to other women. Even the most confident woman may feel uneasy when compared to others, especially in looks, career, or lifestyle. Studies show that women are more emotionally affected by social comparison, especially when it's unsolicited. Compliment her for who she is, not how she compares. Fact number 9. Women tend to overthink even the smallest things. The female brain has stronger connections between the analytical and emotional centers. This means women often replay conversations, decode meanings, and forecast reactions, sometimes endlessly. What may seem small to you could be a mental loop for her. Fact number 8. When she's in a bad mood, she talks less. Unlike the stereotype that women always talk, research shows that during emotional lows, many women go quiet. It's a form of self-protection, processing feelings internally before opening up. Silence isn't coldness, it's recalibration. Fact number 7. Women don't trust easily when suspicion arises. When a woman feels something is off, she doesn't guess, she investigates. Female intuition is backed by evolved social pattern detection. She may not confront immediately, but make no mistake, she's collecting data. Trust is broken not by mistake, but by patterns. If this video hasn't surprised you yet, it will soon. But before we crack the top 3, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, or she might start overthinking why you didn't. Fact number 6. Women speak nearly twice as much as men on average. On average, women use around 20,000 words per day compared to men's 7,000. But it's not about being talkative. It's about social bonding, emotional expression, and multitasking communication. It's linguistic mastery in action. Fact number 5. Women are exceptional at managing relationships. From friendships to families, women tend to be natural connectors. Emotional intelligence, verbal nuance, and empathy make them powerful relationship managers. No surprise, many companies now train leaders to adopt these feminine, emotional strengths. Fact number 4. Once a woman lets go emotionally, she rarely looks back. A woman may forgive, delay, and hope, but when her heart finally shuts the door, it rarely reopens. This isn't coldness, it's emotional self-preservation. Letting go may take long, but once it's done, it's final. Fact number 3. Female ego can be stronger than male ego. Though women are often seen as emotionally softer, the female ego is fiercely protective. When hurt, many women choose dignity over drama. Her silence can speak louder than any argument. Fact number 2. Women are more prone to misunderstanding emotions. Because women are more emotionally attuned, they can also misread signals when under stress or doubt. What feels like withdrawal might be misread as rejection. Her emotional radar is powerful, but not always accurate. And fact number 1. Women can live dual lives with stunning grace. Career woman, caregiver, best friend, secret poet. Women are masters at balancing multiple identities, often seamlessly. Behind every composed face may lie untold struggles and silent battles. Don't mistake strength for simplicity. So, which of these truths opened your eyes the most? Or maybe, made you rethink how you view the women around you? Let us know in the comments. And if you haven't yet, like, subscribe, and share this video to celebrate the complexity and brilliance of women everywhere.